Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Outlook and confirming the calendar you want to clear is active. Once done, export or save any events you might need later. This prevents accidental loss. Now switch to Calendar View and make sure the correct calendar is displayed in the left pane. You will use the ribbon and selection tools next, so have that calendar highlighted. Don't skip the backup step. It's quick and reversible and makes the rest of the process safe. You'll now collect the events you want to remove. Switch to List or Active View, or use Search to filter by date range, attendee, or category. This makes selection precise. Once filtered, select items, Control plus a grabs all, or use Shift plus click to pick a specific block. Right-click and choose Delete or hit the Delete key. Outlook will prompt you for recurring items. Choose appropriately. Make sure to check the deleted items or recoverable items if you change your mind, because deletion can sometimes be recovered. Finish by cleaning up remnants and confirming sync. Empty deleted items or recoverable items if you want permanent removal, and clear local cache if corrupted calendars persist. If you used an Exchange account, toggle cached exchange mode via File, Options, Advanced to force a fresh sync. If things go wrong, restart Outlook, verify account sync status, and restore from the IKES or PSD backup you made earlier. This recovers events quickly. If sync still fails, remove and re-add the account to refresh server data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.